In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a members area on Wix Studio. This feature is incredibly helpful for anyone who wants to build a community on their website, allowing site members to log in for exclusive content, interact with other members, and manage their profiles. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functioning members area set up on your Wix site. To start, let's navigate over to Wix Studio. If you haven't already signed up for an account, you'll need to do so, but remember, this needs to be done prior to following along with this tutorial. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can manage existing sites or create new ones. Choose the site you want to add a members area to and open it in the editor. Next, in the Wix Studio editor, look for the Add Elements button. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will unfold a menu featuring a wide array of widgets and functionalities that you can incorporate into your site. This is where you'll find the tools necessary to start building your community. Now, within the Add Elements menu, find and click on the option called Community. The community elements are designed to help you build interactive, member-focused features directly into your site. You'll find options for forums, chat rooms, and also, of course, areas for managing member lists, among others. Following this, you'll want to locate and click on the Members List option. The Members List is a crucial part of creating an interactive community. It allows both you and your members to see who is part of the community. You can customize its appearance, decide what information it displays, and manage how members can sign up or log in. This makes it a flexible and vital tool for maintaining your members' interactions and profiles. After clicking on the Members List, you'll be prompted to choose a design for it. Wix offers several templates that you can choose from, all of which are customizable to fit the aesthetics of your website. Take your time to browse these designs and select one that best suits the look and feel of your site. Once chosen, you can further tweak the design elements, aligning them with your brand style and ensuring that your members area looks cohesive with the rest of your site. By now, your members area should be integrated into your Wix website, and you'll be ready to invite people to join your community. Remember, a vibrant members area not only strengthens your relationship with your audience, but also encourages interaction and engagement amongst members. So make sure to keep your community thriving through regular updates and interaction. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful. Happy building!